No.
Feisty one, do something interesting. Go.
Oh, look at those ones eating over there. Take a picture of him.
I'm taking a video. Oh, wait, these are doing things again. Oh, got that on camera. Oh, they love each other, yeah.
They do love each other. They're so cute. They like to bump their head.
Oh, look, they're having their other friends join in.
It's like a love fest.
It's like an orgy. Oh, this one coming over here. Okay, you're just coming for pets.
Hi, goat.
Goats. Oh.
Oh, that's so cute.
I love goats.
Goat love.
Look at this little friend. Hey, guys.
He's sniffing me. No goat legs. Turn it off.
To your face. We just got sneezed on by a goat. Okay, I'm gonna stop now.